How are you doing today? Hopefully you're having a good day. We're here to talk a little bit more math in extension time. So we are taking out or talking about fractions. So if you would grab your notes under fractions, again, feel free always to start new ones if you like. But I think you'll like today's. Today's is relatively easy. Should go by quick. This shouldn't be a very long video. So here we go. Fractions. You will learn to love fractions after all is said and done. And today, one of the easiest things you can do with fractions is to multiply them. Okay. And here is a couple things you need to know about this. First of all, the simple rule of fractions is, because it's just that easy, is all you need to do with fractions when you multiply, to multiply, comma, you just multiply across. You multiply across. You don't have to write them up and down. Please don't write them up and down. Do not write up and down. Do not write up and down. So here's our example problem. If you have, I don't know, 1/2 times 1/3. It's just a simple matter of you multiply the two top numbers together for your new top number, and you multiply the two bottom numbers together for your new bottom number. 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6. Now, before we proceed any farther in this, please write this down. Many times in math, rather than seeing the multiplication sign, you will see this word right here. So we need to put this in giant letters. I'm going to make a big, really thick O and a big, really thick F. So we've got O and F. The word of in math almost always means to multiply. It means to multiply. In other words, if I said find 1/2 of 2/5. Okay. To find 1/2 of 2/5, this word of just means multiply. So that is really the same as saying 1/2 times 2/5. And again, there's nothing easier than that because you're just multiplying across. 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 5 is 10. So you end up with 2/10. Another example of that, if I said to find 1/2 of 1/4. Again, 1/2, it'd be the same as 1/2 times 1/4, and you'd get 1/8. It doesn't get any more difficult than that. Let me see if they ask you. And sometimes they'll even write it out in words. Looking at the assignment here. This one right out of the book, it says, what fraction is 3/4 of 1/2? What fraction is 3/4 of 1/2? And if you write that out, I guess we'll put a question mark there. If you write that out, here is the word of. That means you're going to multiply. And what are we multiplying together? 3/4 times 1/2. Multiplying across, 3 on top, and an 8 on the bottom. 3/4 times 1/2 is 1/8. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is just that easy. It does get a little more complicated later on, but for right now, that's going to get you by for what you need to know for now. So I told you it'd be quick and short. Have a great day, and we will talk to you a little bit later, probably in math class or somewhere around there. Bye-bye.